Dustin asked me to let everyone know about the John Whitmer Historical Association meeting that's happening in September in the Omaha area. And I've been attending the John Whitmer Historical Association meetings since 2001. I've made most of them since then, and it's a great time. John Whitmer is a historical association that was founded in 1972 by several members of the reorganized, then it was the reorganized Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, now Community of Christ. And it's kind of a counterpart to the Mormon History Association, which is mostly Utah-based LDS historians. Um, John Whitmer is more for the rest of the Latter-day Saint movement, although there are some Utah Mormons involved as well. Um, the meeting will be held September 24th through the 26th in, like I said, in Omaha, Council Bluffs, actually. And I'll put the website address in the chat. It's it's a there's a few plenary sessions, then there's lots of breakout sessions. I'm going to be doing a paper about the Church of Christ Temple Lot, which is a derivative of the Latter-day Saint movement, and would love to have anyone in the Omaha area attend, or like me from Oklahoma, I'm going to be flying in for the conference. It really is a great time. A lot of the best historians in the Latter-day Saint field will be there, and me too. So
It's too
uh,
humble.
anyway, would love to have you, and that's
Yeah.
my plug.
Thank you, Jason. Yeah, I appreciate you sharing that and I appreciate you jumping in and making sure we got that in before we stopped recording. Yeah, I think it'd be cool. I haven't like fully made all my plans and things, but I think basically I would like to go to at least some of this conference, and it'd be really cool to have some other of these guys because most of us here, I think, are from the Omaha area. So it'd be really cool to see each other again for those of us who haven't seen each other in a while, and for those of us who've never met, like Jason, it was going to be really cool to meet him in person. Kyle Bashirs, who presented last week, will be there presenting. So it'll be just a cool way to actually connect. Like, Torn is I like that Torn is a little different than some of what's going on in the online world, where we are a little more like relational, and so it's a cool opportunity to put that into practice and actually like hang out in person. So yeah, you should all go. Thanks, Jason.